Fitbit Versa 4 Fitness Smartwatch Review. Smarter living starts on your wrist. If you're looking to elevate your wellness routine without leaving your home, the Fitbit Versa 4 is a smart companion worth considering. With built-in GPS, 40+ exercise modes, and 24/7 heart rate monitoring, it offers detailed insights to help you stay active whether you're walking around the house or tackling a home workout. One of its standout features is the Daily Readiness Score, which tells you when to push harder or take a rest day. Beyond fitness, it's packed with tools to support overall health, like sleep tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and stress management features. It also includes handy smart features such as Bluetooth calls, text notifications, and Alexa built-in, all accessible from your wrist. The battery lasts over 6 days and charges quickly, which is a big plus for daily wear. For home-based wellness, the Fitbit Versa 4 blends functionality and style in a sleek, easy-to-use design. Pros: tracks fitness, sleep, and stress in detail. Long battery life and fast charging. Built-in GPS and 40+ workout modes. On-wrist calls, texts, and Alexa support. Cons: full features require Fitbit Premium. Some tools are limited by location or phone compatibility. A solid choice for staying healthy and connected at home. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.